Greetings, Soul Fam. I'm back. Welcome to the channel Soul Tarot. And today I'm going to start a general collective reading, which is going to be about the daily vibe that we feel together as a tribe. So, the methodology would be that I'll be pulling out two guardian angel cards and with the divine words of Jesus. And then I'm going to pull up a tarot spread in front of you to see what the world of tarot is trying to tell us. Right? So let's start. And if you do like it, do subscribe it. If you vibe it, indeed you're the tribe. If not, you can simply ignore it. If it resonates, it's for you. Whenever you're directed to see this, it's meant for you. So say Radhe Radhe and let's begin. So I had already pulled out two guardian angel cards, as I said, and divine words of Jesus when I was meditating. And I'm going to share that with you. To start with, I'm going to take out the guardian angel cards, the message. So we have Archangel Jophiel. Amazing, right? So he says that embrace divine love. Stay balanced, clear, joyful, tolerant. Have the qualities of the unconditional love that a being needs to have. Be more compassionate, merciful, and make sure that these qualities are seen in your external world as well, if you were feeling them inside, internally too, right? So, wonderful one. Going forward, we have Archangel Turiel. It's sweet because it talks about, again, that balanced energy. It talks about nature. It talks about Mother Gaia, which is so giving. It says that stay focused. Feel the connection, feel that vital energy, that inner force within you, which is directing you, which is taking you forward. Stay grounded. When things turn better after a rough time or a difficult time, we tend to lose our ground, right? So make sure that you're more tolerant, you're more peaceful, you're more understanding about things around you, you're more focused about it, you're more grounded about it. That shall nurture you fully. So, divine words of Jesus, I'm going to open up in the last. So, I'm going to pull up the tarot, the daily vibe, BTS. By the way, what you need to know as a tribe. Let's see. So, I call upon my spirit guides, everyone who's orchestrating my life, lighting my path. Let's pray a little, call them around, summon them, bow down to them in reverence and gratitude, seek guidance, and ask them to show us the messages that we're supposed to see. Not what we desire, but what we deserve. Please show us those messages as a collective. Show me the messages I need to see for the collective. Show me the messages I need to see for the collective, for their highest good. So I don't do reversals unless I'm guided to. Okay. I'm going to do it very gently. It's going to be a free spread. I'm going to stop when I'm asked to stop. Keep that in mind. And pardon me if you feel that there's less clarity or something. Let's focus on the positive. Let's focus on the message instead of, nitpicking. Because, it's important to start. So what I'm picking up is that even if there's no wind, just keep rowing. I don't know, that's the kind of vibe I'm getting for the collective for now. Let's see what the tarot is coming around. Let's see. They're telling me two more. Again. Yeah, I'm gonna stop now. So what does the collective need to know, please? Shows the messages that the collective needs to see for today. One more? Okay. Yeah. Let's see what the world of tarot is talking to us. And in the meanwhile, don't worry. Keep smiling. Could there be a better one? The daily vibe for the collective is superlative. See, what do we have? What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? So we have the Knight of Pentacles, we've got the Two of Wands, and we've got the Six of Wands, right? A lot of wand energy. Pentacle, yes, coming in slowly. Things are getting around, things are improving. I think keeping in view the 2020, which has passed us by, 2021 approaching, things are going to get better, whether it's in regard to your career, your relationships, anything possibly that we're working on as a tribe. Those who are vibing, please do hit like and subscribe. Those who are not, can please kindly switch. But keep spreading love and joy, okay? So the Knight of Pentacles is slow, but is the most sincere one. So I think the message here with the angel message is the same, that stay very balanced. Stay tolerant about what you're pursuing, where you're going. And in the direction you're going, just be very persistent about it. Okay? Don't get confused. Just keep going. Focus on where you're heading. And yes, your ships are coming in. You're eagerly waiting, looking as you were. And you've been planting those seeds. And they're resulting. So we see this, I am fascinated by the lilies and the roses around. So it's going to turn around. It's going to come around with persistence, with more grounded energy, with that inner force that is within you, and feeling that connection with Gaia that you feel very strongly. Just make sure that you don't lose your focus, that you stay very wise in your decisions, okay? And try and emanate all the qualities that one needs to have in various spheres of our lives, okay? Be very clear about that. And of course, with the Six of Wands, you're going to be victorious. It's very simple. You're going to be very victorious, right? And you're going to raise. See the way the horse is looking. The horse is looking clearly, saying, you know what, I see you. Keep riding me well. And you have all the control. And trust me, I won't let you fall. I will not let you fall. So you will be victorious. Have faith. Keep that focus. Be persistent, balanced, wise. And superb one for my tribe. I am so happy. Yay! It is such a nice one. Such a nice one. Just keep going, okay? Don't give up. Don't give up. You would know in time what's meant for you is going to come to you, okay? So I'm going to close this with the loving words of Father. Let's see what the Father has to say. I love the warmth and the compassion, the divine love that he exudes, his face has it. I so love it. Anyhow, so let me just switch it for you. Aha. How beautiful. See, it says that I will not leave you comfortless. I will come to you. So in sync. So very in sync. That you come to me in faith. And I will not leave you comfortless. I will make you victorious. Keep that in mind. Keep riding. Be persistent. The victory is yours. Okay? You would find and receive the desired results if you believe in Father, if you believe in any of the deities, god, goddesses, angels, the cosmic light that we really talk about, I really talk about. Religion, gender, etc., etc., does not matter. What matters is it's within. The light that you're looking for is within. To seek that empowered life, very important to understand that. And with that, it also says that, unto you it is given to know the mystery of the kingdom of the God. So yes, they say that, the mysteries of the universe lies in the history. So when we say that, why we say that? Because there's so much to unfold for you right now in time. Just be patient, have that faith, have that trust, and go forward in that direction. And nothing can stop you. Nothing can stop you. Ensure that you're doing all the right things. You're following the guidance, the path which is being shown to you, and not getting confused, not getting affected by the external voices, but following that intuition, okay? So that you are there in that state where peace is within you, because that's what He sends to you. Peace, right? Superb one, daily vibe for the tribe. BTS. So, by the way, this was a collective general reading for all my beautiful soul fam, those who are vibing and tribing. If you do like it, please do hit the like and the subscribe button. I will truly appreciate. Yes, I do take personal readings. For that, you'll have to DM me or email me at the details given in the description box. Sorry, I just fumbled, but that's okay. I can't edit that, right? So keep spreading joy, love, happiness, as the mantra is to heal the world collectively. Bye.